I got something back there. How many there? How many over there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Oh, 8. And about 5 up above. Yeah, we got a dead chicken someone got. But at least someone can eat it. Useful to somebody. Chain of life.